Login failed on Scotia iTRADE app fix. You open your Scotia iTRADE app to check your stocks or make a quick order, but suddenly, login failed pops up on the screen. It's frustrating, but don't worry, this issue is usually easy to fix once you know what's causing it. Let's go through it. First, confirm your internet connection. Scotia iTRADE needs a stable, secure connection to verify your credentials. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off. A quick reset of your signal can sometimes solve the problem instantly. Next, check for app updates. Open your App Store or Google Play, search Scotia iTRADE, and hit update if one is available. Outdated versions can cause lock-in issues when the app security or interface changes. Then, double-check your username and password. If you recently changed your Scotia online banking credentials, the app might still be using the old ones. Try typing them manually instead of relying on saved passwords. If needed, use forgot password to reset your access. If the login still fails, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings App Scotia iTRADE Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. It clears temporary data and gives you a fresh start. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Scotia iTRADE may block logins from unknown or encrypted apps as a security precaution. Disabling it often resolves the issue right away. And if you've tried everything, but it's still not working, the app servers might be down. Check if other Scotia apps work or try logging in from a browser. If the issue happens there too, it's likely a temporary outage. So, if your Scotia iTRADE app says login failed, don't stress. Check your connection, update the app, re-enter your credentials, clear the cache, and disable your VPN. Do these quick fixes, and you'll be back managing your investment smoothly in minutes.